old proverb, you can't have your cake and eat it too, has finally been disproved. 3M twin-ax PCIe extender assemblies for PCIe 4.0 8K XX series maximize routing, folding, and flexible capability for optimum CPU space and airflow while delivering high bandwidth, resonance-free signal integrity performance. The high-speed, low-loss assemblies support data rates up to 16 gigatransfers per second for large data processing operations in personal computers and servers. Multiple configurations are available in a 30-gauge signal wire size with standard lengths of 0.25 and 0.5 meters. Using 3M twin axial cable technology, the thin ribbon cable construction allows a tight bend radius and low profile for easy routing and custom layouts that replace rigid PCB assemblies and other high cable count applications with NVMe drives.